Okay, today we're going to be following the blog post Top 50 Ggplot Visualizations, which will be linked below. By the end of this video, you'll be able to go from this scatter plot to implementing jitter to see all of your points clearly. A reminder, this is all information I found online. I am reusing their script, but I'm going to explain it for you to understand how to use it as well. Okay, today we're going to go and focus on a jitter plot and how we can manipulate our data so we can see every point and eliminate overlapping data. You will need Ggplot. We're going to be using the MPG package, and you're going to set your theme to theme BW. If you run these three lines, we can get moving. So your initial scatter plot does Ggplot, MPG. We're going to look at city mileage versus highway mileage. As a point plot, geom smooth will add that line to show the trend via a linear method, hence LM. Standard error is false, and then we're going to caption as such. So running this, we see this set of points. But if we look at the MPG data, we have 234 entries. And I would say that this plot does not have 234 points on it, just by looking at it. So how do we see these overlapping points as themselves? Well, due to these overlapping points, you aren't seeing the entirety of the data, as I just mentioned. The jitter function helps this, and using the jitter argument in Ggplot takes overlapping points and jitters them randomly around the original position based on a threshold controlled by the width argument. So, repeating again, Ggplot, city mileage versus highway mileage, your X, your Y, geom jitter, width of 0.5, size of 1. And there you have it. There's your figure. Now what if we want to still add that linear model? We would add another layer, geom smooth, method, LM, standard error equals false. Make sure you connect that to everything. And now you have that linear model line going through. It looks just the same, except now you're getting to see every point as they are overlapped, no more. So that is how you can use the jitter function to show more of your data effectively. Okay, stay tuned for next week's video where we go through a count chart.